A solar eclipse is basically a shadow. You're in the shadow of an object. You're basically taking the brightest thing in our solar system, the brightest light, and you're going to cover it. And you're covered with the moon. And we're in the shadow of that. And so that it's a very unique situation where we have the moon being the same angular size, which means it looks the same size in the sky as the sun does, because the sun is 400 times bigger, but it's also 400 times farther away. And so it's a very unique combination where the sun and the moon take up the same amount of sky, with the same size disk in the sky, or in the daylight sky, and you're going to see that those two disks will overlap. The two disks are going to touch, and then they're going to kind of slowly creep over each other. And eventually, that process to go from, so we would start the eclipse here, this is the sun, and then this would be the moon. And the moon, of course, would be a new moon, so it's dark. And so this moon would kind of travel this way and kind of move slowly towards the sun and eventually cover it up. So after several hours, you end up having something like this, where this is covered like that, and all you're going to see is this disc shape cut out. And then eventually, it continues to move, and then the moon totally covers the sun. That's totality. So this process from here to here, several hours. Totality, though, because the size of the moon and the size of the sun, from our vantage point, is almost exactly the same. They're only going to fit over each other just for under 3 minutes. If you are interested in seeing another solar eclipse, we have another opportunity really, really close to us. It's going to be on April 8th, 2024. It's a Monday again. And it will be total eclipse, and if you want to go to totality, if you want to see the whole thing happen again, you would have to go down to Cape Girardeau or in about that area. It's probably a good swap, but that's the closest you would go. So you would have a couple hours drive to get there, which is very doable. It's only a couple hours drive. But if you want to sit around Cottleville your entire life, this is it. This is the only chance you'll ever have.